An uneasy alliance getting shakier by the minute. Shivanand Tiwari of the RJD, a close aide of Lalu Yadav, has hit out at Nitish Kumar after a meeting with the RJD chief. We've known Nitish for 40 years. He is not a saint. That's what Team Lalu has claimed. The fortune of the alliance between Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav in Bihar is likely to be decided today, as both leaders hold separate meetings with their legislators on the same agenda. Whether Lalu Yadav's son, Tejasvi, who is also the deputy CM, should step down because of the corruption charges he faces.
नीतीश कुमार को हम पिछले 40 वर्षों से जानते हैं और कितने वो दूध के धोए हुए हैं इसकी भी हमको जानकारी है। हमको काफी इस बात की तकलीफ है। हमने हाथ जोड़ करके नीतीश कुमार जी से अनुरोध किया था कि बात कीजिए। आप गठबंधन कैसे चलाइएगा? जब आपस में आप बात नहीं कीजिएगा तो आप गठबंधन को कैसे चला सकते हैं? कोई भी खटपट हो, कोई भी मतभेद हो, उसको लोकतंत्र में बातचीत के ही जरिए सुलझाया जा सकता है। दूसरा कोई रास्ता नहीं है। लेकिन हमको तकलीफ है इस बात की कि नीतीश कुमार ने हमारी बात पर ध्यान नहीं दिया।
Alok Pandey joining us from Patna outside Lalu Yadav's residence. Alok, how tense is the atmosphere on the ground, and will Nitish have to step down to save the alliance? Is that the only way forward?
Well, good afternoon, Namita. It is a very windy day here in Patna today, and there's a poster of Lalu Yadav right behind me. You can see it actually. It risks tearing apart in the last some time, and so does perhaps the alliance, if you could say that, given the kind of attacks, verbal attacks that are taking place between the RJD and the JDUs, especially the RJD. In fact, as we speak right now, the meeting of the RJD MLAs might be getting over in the next some time. And you would expect the RJD to again say some kind of things. So the last time around when we asked them, when the last meeting of its MLAs was held, we were told that there was no question of Tejasvi Yadav resigning. This time around, things are a little different. You've had a senior leader of the RJD, Mr. Shivanand Tiwari, actually coming out and launching a verbal attack on Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. The JDU hitting back to ask why the RJD should be saying all of these things in public. So clearly there are those who could argue that break point is being achieved or is nearing when it comes to the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. But what is the next move? That is everyone's guess, because the assembly session in Bihar is starting in Patna in the next 2 days, and the BJP has clearly said that they are not going to let the house function till Tejasvi Yadav has to face a resignation or tenders his resignation. That's something that the RJD says will not happen. But there are sources telling us that Nitish Kumar may very well have made up his mind, and that some kind of a development will certainly take place. Whether it is the breaking of Bihar's alliance, that remains to be seen.